So today our topic is how to enhance your IMU look. This is part 2 of enhancing your IMU look. So please like and subscribe my channel. So let's start our video. Go to IMU shop, then we will cover today accessories section, how to enhance your IMU avatar using accessories. You can search here different overspec. You can search here for poses in accessories section and try poses. Sometimes you don't want to change your avatar and you can easily perform different poses using pose packs. So this will also enhance your avatar and you can easily take photos in IMU. So power checking. Way to enhance your IMU avatar, you can search here different accessories for your avatar like ear set for your avatar. As you can see different hair set here. I am also wearing some hair set in my ears, so this is also enhance your avatar look. You can search here like knife, blood, or anything, guns, and each and everything accessories for your avatar and different props to make your video. You can see here a knife, so yeah, you can see here knife in my hand. I can easily kill someone in IMU. So this is how you can use this accessories section. So please like and subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye.